Hello GeoBuddies, I hope everything is well.
Now today I will talk about the garnet group of minerals. First of all, come to the structure. Garnet group of minerals also belong to nesosilicate structures. And in the structure of the garnet group of minerals, silicon oxygen tetrahedra exist as independent groups, and the structure consists of alternating ZO4, where Z indicates silicon and titanium tetrahedra, and YO6, where Y indicates iron, aluminium, chromium octahedra, which share corners to form a three-dimensional framework. Within this, there are cavities that can be described as distorted cubes or triangular dodecahedra of 8 oxygens which contain X ions. What are these X ions? I will talk later. So because of this tightly packed structure, a garnet group of minerals show high density, and specific gravity is also very high in the case of garnets. You can see in this structure here framework of alternating tetrahedra and octahedra which are shaded, you can see, and 8-fold triangular octahedra coordinating the cations. And in this structure, red color dot indicates A cation, a small circular dot indicates B cation, solid black dot indicates silicon, and larger circular structure indicates oxygen. C. So this is the structure of the garnet group of minerals which belongs to nesosilicate. Now come to the chemistry. The general formula of the garnet group of minerals is X3 plus 2, Y2 plus 3, Z3 plus 4, O12, where X plus 2 indicates calcium, magnesium, iron and manganese. These are found in the dodecahedral site, and these are bivalent in nature, that is why it is indicated by X plus 2. Y plus 3 means trivalent in nature, and where Y indicates iron, aluminium, chromium, and these atoms are found in octahedral site. Z plus 4 means plus 4 valency, which is shown by silicon and titanium, and these atoms are situated or found in the tetrahedral site. So on the basis of the arrangement of these atoms, garnet group of minerals belongs to two groups. First is chiral spite series, which bear aluminium and also known as aluminium garnets. These aluminium garnets are pyrope, almandine, spacertine or spacertite, and you can see in all these three chiral spite series of garnets, aluminium is present. Then second one is agrandite series, in which calcium is present, that is why agrandite series of garnets are also known as calcium garnets. And these garnets are uvarovite, grossular, andradite, in which calcium is present. Now come to the physical properties of garnet group of minerals. System is cubic or isometric system. Forms are rhomboedecahedron or trapezohedron. Colors are violet in the case of pyrope, deep red in the case of almandine, brownish green in the case of andradite, emerald green in the case of uvarovite,
brownish red in the case of spessartine, olive green in the case of grossular. Luster is vitreous, fracture is subconchoidal or uneven, streak is whitish or white, hardness is generally 6 to 7.5, specific gravity is 3.42 to 4.27. Now come to the paragenesis of garnet group of minerals. So first point is garnet is found in metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks and also in sedimentary rock. It is formed under high temperature and pressure conditions. Second point is pyrope occurs in ultramafic igneous rocks such as peridotites and associated with olivine. Third point is almandine, commonest of all garnets, typical mineral of regional metamorphism. Now come to the spessartite. It is an uncommon or rare garnet, mostly found in granites and pegmatites. Its orange variety is a gemstone. Andradite occurs in igneous and metamorphic rocks and is also well known in limestone that has undergone contact metamorphism. In this reaction, you can see calcium carbonate in the presence of silica reacts with iron oxide, gets converted into andradite, and remaining product is carbon dioxide. Now come to the grossular. We know grossular is a olive green form of garnet, usually comes from metamorphosed limestones where calcium is abundant and iron absent. Hydrous garnet, hydrogrossular, may contain water up to 8.5%. Now come to the uvarovite. It is found in serpentinite in association with chromite and metamorphosed limestones. So this is all about the garnet group of minerals related to structure, chemistry, physical properties and paragenesis. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.